These are the this is inspired by the Jimmy Choo Cinderella heels. I know a lot of you dolls know those heels. They are $5,000, you guys. It's not even a joke. So I decided I want the look and I want it for less in a book form. So this is not your ordinary coffee table book. This is your extra fabulous Jimmy Choo inspired coffee table book. And here's how it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is just like a regular book I got from Dollar Tree, and I completely did a DIY on it. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned, and definitely give this a big fat thumbs up if you like this video already. And I'm going to be doing a series of books like inspired by the designer's handbag or shoe. So just Google Cinderella. If you don't know these shoes, Google Jimmy Choo Cinderella heels, and it looks exactly like this. And I just did my book version. So this is going to be on a coffee table, and it just looks divine. So here it is. Absolutely beautiful. And as I said, I got the book from Dollar Tree and just did all this, and you're going to see how I made it. And here's the sides. So yeah, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. Here are how the heels look like. They're so pretty. From Dollar Tree, and it's $1. You want to make sure like here is really thick, as you can see. So depending what you want to put on the sides. Newspaper, of course, to spray paint on. And I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum metallic spray and spray the book. Now you want to cover the paint like right here, because you don't want here to be sprayed with you don't want the pages obviously to be sprayed. So I'm going to just spray that now and let it dry. So I'm just going to open the book up and spray it that way. Therefore you don't get the pages sprayed. Taking Hodge Podge glue, and I'm going to glue this down. Printed the logo of Jimmy Choo online, and I painstakingly cut this out very, very carefully with fine scissors, and I'm just going to glue it down. And Hodge Podge glue it dries really clear and it dries pretty, and you have to be very careful. Make sure you cut the logo exactly how it looks. So I use very fine scissors to do that, and I'm just using this cotton bud and gluing it down and just giving a thin coat of glue on top, so the glue is not noticeable once it dries. So that's what I'm doing. So I just found his logo online, and I got it in black because I thought black will stand out better than white. And make sure it's nicely done, because once it's glued, it's glued. You don't want it like wonky or messed up. You want it to be exactly how it looks like on the shoe. Okay, so you're going to take the Hodge Podge glue, no, it sounds really funny, and go over the words, go over the logo, and just, you know, put just a thin glaze, not too much. If you put too much, it's literally going to look like you're going to see glue marks. You want it to just be a thin glaze, just to, you know, cement it on your book. And this is how it should look after it's glued, and it's going to dry clear. Okay, so next I did this off camera, but if you look at the Jimmy Choo shoes, they have a lot of different size rhinestones to just give it that dimension and give it texture. So I've got just random ones I have because I do so much crafting, so just get random different sizes. Okay, so I'm still taking my E6000 glue. I'm going to get this white pencil for rhinestones to pick up rhinestones, and you're just going to see how I did that. And I'm just going to like put them randomly. There's no detail, there's no order, just put them randomly around the book. It just gives it texture, because if you look at the heels, like I zoomed in and looked at the heels, they have different sizes of rhinestones. That way it just makes it have more, you know, glam, just more body and texture to it. So I'm just going to randomly do that, but I'm going to leave the space at the top, especially the top right corner, the top left corner, sorry, free, so I can have my crystals there. So I'm just not doing it all the way to the top. So I'm just going to pick up random sizes and put them around where I want it at the bottom, and then just work my way up to the top, but leave the top very like clear, ready for the big crystals and all that good stuff. And as you can see, I'm struggling to pick them up. So what I do is I kind of like, it's funny, it's a struggle. They're done. Okay, so I got these from Hobby Lobby, and they are different sizes. As I was filming this, I didn't know they're different sizes. So you got this big one here, and then you've got like the small ones. I didn't even know they were different sizes until I literally filmed this. So you can see this is a different type of crystal, random crystals I got from the LA Fashion District. I've had them since 2014, so that's what I got it from. And I thought they would just be cute to add in that mix. And then I got these tinier crystals as well from the LA Fashion District. But you can find these on Amazon for sure. So I'm gonna put my glue down, E6000 Glue, in the corner and get ready to put these big crystals down. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure out where I want to place my crystals and start placing them in the corners. And I'm gonna have it hanging off of the book, because if you look at the shoe, they kind of hang off and they look three-dimensional. They don't look they look 3D. So that's what I'm doing. I just had that last minute idea. Okay, so as I said, I just realized they're different sizes, and I'm gonna just place them down in the corners. And sorry it's blurry, my camera was just, the gloss, the shine, the crystals was blinding to my camera. Literally, it really was. So yeah, I'm just gonna add them in a nice shape. You can do any shape you want. It doesn't have to be exactly how I did it, but that's how I like mine. Okay, so this is the little edge that goes across the book, on the edge of the book, and I'm gonna add some crystals in the same manner that I did to the front page of the book, and I'm gonna leave that top corner free. So you're gonna see at the very end how that's gonna look like. And I'm gonna just do the different sizes of crystals and just do it very randomly around the book. Okay, so now they're all done, just finishing it up and just showing you how I'm doing it. And just putting them in random positions, but also, as I said, leaving that top corner free. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. Okay, so now it's done. This is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna leave that. And I put the logo on there as well, on the edge. And it looks perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna just add some tiny crystals in the corner. I'm just being extra, just extra. In the edges, like right there. I'm so extra. You don't have to do this, but I found out it just looks really nice. I'm just going to the extreme, and I'm just putting different sizes to give it texture and just make it magical and pretty. It's got fingerprints in it, but no one's gonna see. I kept touching it. So now it's dry. I'm gonna glue this and attach the cover and the side cover. I'm still wondering whether to add anything on this place here or just leave it blank. I don't know, but I'm gonna attach this first and then attach the main one on there. The edge of the book, like so. Make sure you get it as close as possible to the top. See how blingy this is? It's so blingy. Sorry, my hand's right in your face. And I'm gonna just leave my back raw. If you want to be extra, you can also take a piece of this. And I'm going to put the link below where I got this. This seller is amazing. They're a seller on AliExpress and they are amazing. I'm going to put their link below. They ship it really fast and they're very cheap and affordable. You can also find these on Amazon. So, and I cut it. It was a big sheet, like a paper sheet. So it's like that big. So I'm going to link them down below. So basically, and I just traced the shape of this and cut it to this. I didn't show you how I did that. I'm sorry, I didn't add it in the video. So, just gonna press it down and make sure it sticks and just let it dry in. It's gonna dry in really good. And just press the edges down so they just look very seamless and pretty. And wait for that to dry. On the book, and I'm gonna take the front of the book. And you've got to be really careful. These little pieces here still drying. And I'm gonna just go from the top and just slide it into place. Be really careful. Oops, there we go. And then just press it down, press it around the edges, Pull it down so it covers the edges and press everything into place, even the top. This piece here is still drying, so you want that to dry really good. This is all dried. I did this last night. Just press it. This is drying still because I just did that. And then just kind of, you can even put objects on it just so it can really have weight. You can add weights on it to just let it sit and dry quickly. Like this piece here needs to dry as well. So just press it down, I guess. You don't want bubbles in it, and just make sure like these corners just meet really nicely together, and just let that dry. So yeah, just press it down. You don't want bubbles because bubbles really like to come up in this material. So just press the book down everywhere where a bubble, because you don't want bubbles. It's going to make it look really cheap and not cute. And then this side I'm going to fix it. Basically what I'm going to do is drag the edges together. Actually, I'm going to tuck it underneath like this. Sorry, I'm really careful because I don't want stuff on my nails. Oh dang, I don't want spray. Oh, gross. Okay, I want this off my nail. Oh, even worse. Okay, technical difficulty, dolls. Okay, so just press that down like that and let everything dry. So pretty. Look at it. Wow. Crazy. Jimmy Choo's gonna be proud. So this is how it looks like. It's like the perfect coffee table book. I can't wait to make these for friends and family and anyone who wants this. This might be in my 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked in this video, and if you're going to be making this, put a crystal emoji in the comment section below if you're going to be making this DIY. It's really easy. That's what I like about it, and fun. So for all these like marks on the side of spray paint, and this is how it looks. So pretty. So yeah, let me know if you're going to be making it, and I can't wait to do another DIY. Comment below what other designers you want to see me do next. I'm definitely going to be doing Gucci, Versace, Chanel is coming next, and Christian Louboutin. So if you think this is out of this world, wait for the next ones because they're coming up soon. But if you have any more designer inspired handbags or bags you want to see next, let me know in the comment section below. But first of all, check this out. And let me know if you make it. Hashtag me on Instagram. Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see how you dolls make it. But here it is. It's a perfect gift for Christmas this year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye. Have fun DIYing. Yay.